2K super fans, they're buying it right now. The reason why I haven't got that many pre-orders. Just at 5. Because they want the edition that came out early, that came out already.
Finally get to watch me.
We got Hello Kitty Adventure
and then we get to
Island.
relive Fallout all over again together.
Yay, I'm so excited. And then Monster High's coming in the mail. Good morning, besties. We just got back from brunch and we had to run a few errands. I tried to record what I could, but my anxiety has been trying to get the best of me lately with recording. So yeah, today's my sister's birthday party, so I'm trying to prepare for that and all that good stuff. But yeah, today was a good day.
7,500 meters. And your goal, you told your community, you'll talk to some other people. They'll be
So we was supposed to do something tonight, but my sister canceled her birthday plans, so I'm not doing anything now. I was looking forward to getting out the house because it's been a week of pain. I got y'all sitting on the small tripod, but it's really little, and hopefully you can see me. But I'm doing makeup right now. Good morning, besties. Okay, break from doing makeup. About to make some coffee because I want some coffee.
Don't put the fucking
Ass kick today.
No, you know what you did. Or you know something.
Nobody's safe.
Oh, I'm sorry that you have a listening problem.
I'm sorry you have a listening problem. It's crazy.
What'd you say, babe?
You are lying to me.
Probably. It doesn't expire, I don't think. Oh, yeah.
Got a raid pass. And cleaning out my bag because...
How little is friend-wise? Huh? You stop playing.
Oh, man, I'm not buying another shell
I
mint.
haven't grabbed all my friends' gifts.
Oh, bag is full.
Mega Man! Yeah, okay, I see.
Bag is full.
Yeah,
You gotta catch stuff.
Oh my god, this is how long it's been. I just opened a gift from you from 4 hands.
Whoa. Where you used to work?
At 4 hands.
Oh my goodness.
I just opened up a
Whoa.
gift
My
from
work
that.
was at the gym and I had to clean it every day.
Whoa.
You're not Mickey Winko, are you?
Yeah, no, I'm Pink Sugar Wings.
That's it.
I can't defeat this whole red gym. Being a goof.
None.
That's what she said.
I got a Sandy, guys.
Sandy gas.
I finished 2 Pokédexes. Holy.
I'll get there one day.
Just unlocked inboard, which definitely adds to the Pokédex he's working on.
Oh, cool.
Oh, we're trying to do the same thing, yeah.
Yeah, I got inboard.
Okay, Giovanni, I don't want to fight you. I don't care about you. Whatever it's
Is it a Dialga or the Giratina?
Is that a...
Giratina.
What are you? You adorable.
I don't need 2 Giratinas.
Oh, it was a... Nope, your bag is full. I just threw a thing.
You gotta catch lots of Pokemon.
No, I've been throwing them.
I have 2.
People put lure modules out so you can catch things more
I
easily
have
too.
2,100 storage space. I'm still maxed out.
2,100 storage? No
I'm
way,
maxed
bro.
out. I know.
No way, bro.
You can get in a party if you want.
Oh yeah, we should do that.
We
before
should get in the
do anything else.
Yo, make sure I got
Share
share.
it if you wanted. You guys could share.
Okay.
Because there will be
people
a
will be
raid
walking
will start
around.
here with Gyarados,
It's
and then it'll
different
be one
spots.
over here.
So,
Okay. Oh, okay.
did you already do the cards?
No, I haven't. That's why I keep asking for it.
I didn't
Hey, Sid,
revive
how should we
him.
do the codes?
500 XP that shows up for
Go to
Him? Is that Dom? Okay.
Okay, now you are in a
so you go to that,
party,
you're
so
supposed
you
to
need
sign
to
in on top.
share this incense with us. Wait, I'll wait because we can share it with Tanya too. I'll wait till she joins the party.
It's like,
I don't know.
you see what I mean?
I haven't used mine, so I don't know.
Like it's,
What happened?
It's not
You
like
did lose
it's.
your code, but it's,
You on the campfire app?
no, so this one is
You can
fun.
add it to the party too
Yeah.
when you're done.
So it's called Campfire. See that little thing on top right here? That little
I
square.
just got-
Click on that. There you go.
Oddish.
Say, oh.
If I had
say
enough
do medium.
memory on my iPhone, then I would
Campfire?
screen record, but
Alright, so you
I don't
want
have enough
to go on this
memory.
one? Join meet up. This is where we're at. Oh wait. Alright.
There you go.
You don't need to invite anybody, so you're fine.
You gotta spend a few more, so just keep catching stuff.
Do it.
That's all right. When Gyarados pop out, I think you got 1 raid attempt. You can at least try it.
Okay. So she's having problems with
Bioplume.
hers. I can't figure out where to go to log it in.
So campfire.
Puzzle piece.
Yeah, puzzle piece in here. Yeah. I like how there's more yellow, there's more blue and red, no yellows.
No yellow today.
There's 1,
Yellow out of all of them is definitely the least.
2, 3. There's 3 yellows in this party right now.
That's insane.
So we're gonna destroy this.
Breezy's here.
19,
Look how
18
cute it
people.
looks.
Aw. Oh, Breezy's there. Hey, Breezy.
Look how cute it look when it load in.
I was trying to say he joined, must have joined beer. It's like a Sharpedo.
He looks like a shrimp.
He does look weird though.
Oh yeah, we're destroying him.
Sheesh.
And this is what you do all day. You just find different gyms.
Oh, come on, Snorlax.
Oh, did you know
Do
you
your
dodge?
best.
So swipe your finger.
I'm sure
swipe
you
your
won't
finger.
move past that Snorlax though. You won't have to. You shouldn't have to
Well, no,
train
I'm just showing you.
Pokemon.
So when it attacks, just go like this.
Oh, I see it now.
Yeah.
He's gone.
You won.
Good job, everybody.
All right, let's go home. All right, let's go home.
Literally.
That's all we came for is the Gyarados.
Some people come the only reason they come so often is because you're guaranteed
I made Gyarados.
to win whatever it is you go for because there's so many people.
What's the
waiting.
CP at? At least be a good one. Obviously, they got Skinny J,
Oh,
Walker
you
Star.
know my order. I was telling you
Walker
about the
Star.
nail stuff that I
Get
had
it
got
from the
off
furthest away,
AliExpress.
probably.
Yes, I've been checking on it. So they already had charged the extra like $10
He's
for
$18.97.
tariff
I got
shipping.
$18.90.
I'm scared that they're going to have to do another X amount of dollars for once it gets here to the United States.
Anybody didn't get into the first one?
We all got in on this table.
Anybody?
Go to summary.
And the Coral's not that shiny, he's blue. So,
Right?
do you have a gigantic
Hate on that.
Charizard that's
Nope.
Get
Super effective, super effective, super effective.
Super effective. Electrocute the
There's
Gyarados.
another place by my house that sells movies really, really cheap.
Movies?
Yes, like Blu-rays.
Oh, cool.
It's like $2 DVDs and $4 in the Halloween store.
Okay.
It's on the way there.
Okay. To
And
K-pop?
then in K-pop.
Okay.
I don't think we're gonna be able to make it to the other stores because it's probably closed at 6.
The rice comes with the barbecue regardless.
Okay. I would ask Jimmy if he wanted to come with us, but he's gotta go paint.
I don't have to go paint. I have to go pick up paint.
For tomorrow.
I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's like little ball sacks. That's at least that's what Dom called it. There's gang. There's Jimmy leaving. Okay, so we are at K-pop, and I think I got the mushroom bowl. Oh, Bestie got this. wait. Wolf got this. I'm excited. I've never had this before. Oh my gosh.
There were 2 orders of shrimp dumplings. So that's the gyoza, the flat one. That's gyoza. So that's
My brain does that too. I'd be like, oh, you know, what happened? What was they ready to say?
it's my sin. Somebody canceled my action.
We're not driving.
My mind be though.
All day, every day.
I know, I'm always in the order. I get it.
Always. I order sometimes. I said it often.
Why are you doing this?
Why are you doing this to me?
Let's go. Girl, I don't want to hear you. I got you Sailor Moon to this.
That's so cool.
I don't want to hear it.
Did y'all know the witches coming to the...
There you go.
Now they turned it off. The noodles. The noodles turned it off.
It's not like I hate Hamilton. It's not my thing. I'm not a...
Pointing out. I'm about to say, go ahead.
Do you want a trendy grill?
Not now, it's hot.
Ooh, thank you.
Actually, come back and check.
Ooh. What?
Turn this down. Turn it off.
I did.
Anybody else?
It's like, which bitch you want today? This is cute. Oh, I only have 1 battery left. Oh my god. I have 1 battery left. Let me hurry up. Turn off. Okay, y'all. So we went to Half Price Books and we got a lot of stuff.
I show it with a quickness, but I'll show the back of it. Okay, so we got this. Okay, there we go. I was like, let me see it. I got this for learning about endometriosis and everything. Ah! Can you see it? And they got gold. Ah! Oh yeah. What a wonky, crazy book.
I've never seen Alice.
Right, I've never seen it like this. I'm trying to hurry up and do this because the battery is low. Okay.
Just do your own.
Dream book. Because my dreams be crazy.
It's behind us. So that's gonna be long, hey? Yeah, but it's. Yeah, but we knew the door closed. So I was trying to get you to lock back so that you could close the door.
That's all I have.
I think maybe. Just look. There's
Okay. I still got some battery. Okay, we've got some cool stuff. You can pull your games up. Oh, there they go. Okay. A Dean Koontz book. We've been obsessed. Destiny. Batman.
Two classics.
Skyrim. Anne Rice. Merrick.
This is amazing that you found that.
Oh my gosh. This was a crazy find. All three of those was.
Oh no, but others respawn. We can't shoot in there. Right?
This is a variant, just so you know.
Really?
Y'all found a variant. That's why I got it. Y'all found it.
Oh, cool.
That's how you know.
I didn't even know.
These are regular copies.
Okay.
But it'll tell you when it's a variant.
Oh, I didn't know you found so much Doom.
I found a section that I want to read. The Children of the One World Under Doom. It's going to be amazing.
Okay. That was our book and CD and comic.
You want to show me
Oh.
this, you can.
Oh, we're going to
Start
do...
being selfish.
Okay, that's all. All right. Good morning, gang. Okay, so I forgot to show y'all in the haul for the books. I forgot to show y'all that I had scored a iPod Touch 4th generation at half price books, and I had to get it. It was only $16 with a discount, and I wanted something that I can have physical media on. So fucking stoked for that. Right now, adding music to it and having a hard time getting songs that are old, but I'm gonna figure it out. Every time I try to play Hello Kitty, it hit me with a freaking update. Okay, so you can't see me, but these are the groceries for this week's haul. I kind of went a little overboard because the food cart played me. So yeah, they like when I say it played me, like fresh food is not covered. How are you not covered? But you're fresh, whatever. You said $20, so something in here didn't get covered, and I'm still trying to figure out. I did get you 2 salads though. Yeah. Yeah. I got some vegan milk